Did you know maths is actually quite different from other subjects? There's a reason it can feel harder to learn. To start with, it's cumulative. Maths builds step by step. If a learner misses one building block, the next step can feel impossible. In other subjects, you can still follow along without mastering every prior topic. But in maths, missing place value or regrouping can make everything after it shaky. A lot of people think maths is just about logic, following steps, remembering rules and getting the right answer, but it's much more complex than that. Unlike other subjects where there's room for opinion, interpretation or creativity, maths often depends on precision, speed and multiple brain systems working together all at once. It relies on functions like working memory, visual spatial reasoning, language, processing speed, fine motor skills. It's like asking the brain to juggle 5 balls at once, when juggling 2 or 3 is already tricky enough. There's usually a right or wrong answer, and that can feel high pressure. In English or art, there's room for nuance, but in maths, a wrong answer can feel like failure, and repeated failure builds anxiety and avoidance. Maths is abstract by nature, and often too abstract too soon. A learner might understand sharing out lollies, but struggle with a division sentence where they're expected to make sense of the dashes, dots and numbers. They need concrete experiences first, not abstract symbols. It's often taught too fast. Some learners need more time, more repetition, more hands-on support to practice and process. But too often in school, the class moves on and the gaps keep growing. Maths is a subject that depends on solid foundations, flexible thinking and emotional safety, but that's not what many learners have experienced. They haven't been given the time or tools to make it make sense. At Mimathka, we do things a little differently, because teaching and learning maths needs a different approach to any other subject.